We will assemble steps 88 to 19. First, take out the components we just assembled. Then take out the G14. Align it with the first bayonet. Note that this place should also be snapped in. Align the other side with the first bayonet. Then take out the G16. Align it with the second bayonet. This bayonet. Make sure the lower part fits in. After assembling, we pick up the previously assembled components and assemble them together. Adjust it to this direction. Align the notch here with the notch here. Push forward. Push it all the way. Put the assembled components aside, then take out the AO7 and CO3 with the notch outwards. CO4's tip aligns with the notch direction. Then take out X. Take out the G19 with the pattern facing outwards. At 20. The other side is the same. Steps 88 to 19 are completed. We will assemble steps 92 to 96. First, take out the components we just assembled. C13. Then take out the previously assembled components. Align it with these two grooves at the back end. And push forward. G to 5. It points to the groove above. Take out the G15. Align it with the groove on the side. The other side is the same. After completion, take out C7. Align it with the diagonal groove at the tail. Put it in. Then take out B3. Pattern down. Steps 92 to 96 are completed. Now we start with steps 97 to 101. First, take out G11 to glue. Then take C1 and paste the other one in mirror image. Note that both sides are symmetrical. It looks like this. Then take out D1. Compare it first. Apply glue. After that, paste the other one. After assembling, take out the small components we just assembled. Align the long strip from this place with the round hole. Press the other parts firmly. Do the same on the other side. Then take out C18. Align it with this notch. Push it to the end. C07. Steps 97 to 101 are completed. Now we start 102 to 104. First, take out E09. Align it with the end. Insert this square into the groove below. Folding both sides, insert it into the grooves on both sides. Push it in. Align and press down the hole on the side. Press down. Press it down. Then take out J2. In the same way as before. Push it in. D21. Put it aside. Then take out the two sets of accessories we assembled before. Take out the light. We didn't put the battery here. Please prepare by yourself. We left the shortest one outside, and the rest are the components. It'll look like this. Steps 102 to 104 are done. Now we continue steps 105 to 108. We took out a light bead. Bend the head of the light bead. To make it easier to assemble, thread it in from this direction. The light beads should come out from this position. After threading it through, we inserted the light bead into the lampshade. Put it in. Then take out another light bead. Pass it through the other side in the same position. Insert the light bead into the lampshade. After that, we took out the third light bead. Insert it into the same place first, and then pass it through the hole above. The last light beads. We insert it through the middle round hole and fix it. Steps 105 to 108 are done. Now start steps 109 to 112. First, take out parts E7 and E8 and fold them along the dotted line. Note that it should be folded like this, folding the end inward. Take out the soft cushion to curve this area. It looks like this. Now take out the components we just assembled. Pattern facing out. Insert it here like this. The other side is the same. Take out E2 on the soft cushion. After pressing, take out the components we just assembled in this direction. Align the round holes in the paper with the raised part of the board. Take out X. Done. Then take out the car body. Check the snaps at the bottom. Make sure the rectangular area is outside. Then insert the assembled components. Align it with the bayonet and insert it. Then push the component in. After checking, it looks like this. Steps 109 to 112 are done.